Wi-Fi link. Download the app by scanning the QR code from the user manual, then install it on the pad or smartphone. Log in, create your own account and password, then sign in. Device. Choose Soft AP Config. Find your own network and password. Please go sync with the Alarm Hub. Menu, Wi-Fi. Soft AP Config. Next. Start with XPG and the password is 123456789. Then find Wi-Fi here. The XPG. Find the Wi-Fi. Then start it with XPG. Choose it. And the password is 123456789. Join. Successful. Return to app. Back. Start configuring. Configuration OK. Pad. Configuration OK. Now the Wi-Fi is linked. Let's check. Let's back to main menu. On the system. On now.
System armed. System disarmed.
Okay. Now let's work and code the accessories with the Alarm Hub. Let's use app for pairing. Let's go to Settings, Remote Text, cross sign on right top. Pair a new remote tag now. Choose Pairing OK. Number of tags paired 1. Let's pair another one. Choose cross sign. Pair a new remote tag now. Again, choose any button. Pairing OK. Now you will see the number of tags paired, 2 pieces, and let's test. Back to the main page. Use the first remote tag.
System armed. System disarmed. System disarmed.
Okay. And the second remote tag test.
System armed. System disarmed.
If you see the alarm icon is with red flashings, just with second disarm.
System disarmed.
Okay. Now let's check disarmed the system.
System armed.
Triggered.
System disarmed.
If you find the red flashing icon, then just disarm the second time.
System disarmed.
Okay. Let's test the second one.
System armed. System disarmed.
Disarm. And disarm it at the
System
second time.
disarmed.
Now let's work on the code with a pet-friendly PIR detector. First, let's open the casing of PIR detector. And secondly, we turn the on-off power to on. Now let's use app to work on the code. Settings, wireless sensors, cross sign on right top. Then we can choose leaving alone alarm. Mode, we defaulted as stay unactive. Number, we can choose number 5. Confirm. Pair a new wireless sensor now. Let's trigger it. Pairing OK. Confirm. See the number paired for PIR detector 1 pieces. Now let's test it. Back. Armed.
System armed.
Disarm.
System disarmed.
Zone 5. If you see the red flashing icons, then just disarm it at the second time.
System disarmed.
Thank you for watching.